celebrating GHP's birthday like never before. Today I'm chatting with the lovely, gorgeous, all expletives, all superlatives for her, Aisha Seth, a very dear member of the GHP community. She's a makeup artist par excellence. She's been at it with Miss India contestants, actresses, you name it. People are swearing by her work, as is very evident when you look at her. Hi Aisha, congratulations.
Hi,
She's opened a beautiful new studio at Bandra on Linking Road, and you really must check it out. So Aisha, tell us all about Aisha Makeup and Hair.
Well, I started 12 years ago and I really haven't had any formal training,
Wow.
surprisingly. I see so many makeup schools today, and they cover everything, every aspect of makeup. I never had that good fortune, but I think I'm also fortunate because I learned on the job, and I just suddenly decided after flying for KLM as cabin crew for 4 years that I wanted to do something creative. And I started off actually carrying some of the makeup artists who were top at that time, their bags, and I watched them and I learned. And well, it's been a long journey, it's been 12 years, and this is the first month of Aisha Seth Makeup Studio, and it's a lovely dream which I've always had. And I'm so happy that you guys are here with us.
It's a pleasure because it's always fun to see a friend's dream being fulfilled, and it's more fun when that friend is a GHP member. And let me tell you that Aisha conducts wonderful workshops for ladies on makeup. She conducts them with great passion, she conducts them with great patience, because as you and I know, makeup can be something quite scary, makeup can be something that makes us tremble, and Aisha is working at it to make every woman believe that she is really beautiful and she can just find it in the stroke of a brush, right Aisha?
Yeah, my workshops are actually designed and aimed at every woman who has this fear of using makeup. I see so many women who walk out of their houses without, putting even a little bit of lipstick, and I'm like, why don't you just, spend a little bit of time grooming? It comes under grooming, so my basic workshop is actually more of a grooming workshop where I teach the basics of, your foundation, how to apply, how to do a little bit of contouring if you want to go out at night. So that is what this whole module is all about, and also teaching you the right techniques, products, brushes, so that you are able to do your own makeup in 5 minutes and really enjoy the entire process. You've been for one of my workshops,
Yes, yes. And I'm trying to make it within that 5 minute little time bomb that keeps ticking in my head, and I'm doing a decent job.
Yeah, and I got a great feedback from the ladies who used to be scared of makeup, and now they know the right products to buy. They don't get swayed by what the lady behind the counter is selling them, so because they know that this is the product they've been taught. So that is what I really want to do, is to make everyone really aware that you guys can do makeup without going overboard and looking pretty without spending too much time in front of the mirror.
That's a dream come true, not just for her but for us as well. When you're really pressed for time, when you really don't know what to match with what, I think Aisha's workshops would work brilliantly for you. Aisha, you have to say something beautiful for GHP.
I love GHP. I think I was one of the first 10 members on
Yes.
GHP, and you guys have grown so beautifully. And it's such an amazing platform for people who are living within this area. To be aware. Like, I love seeing your events, and half the time I don't even know about the library that you put up in this beautiful, green surroundings. So you're doing a great job, Anu. And I love following you guys, and it's such a lovely feeling to be here with all these members. 1,400 strong.
Yes.
That's in 1 year.
Yes.
That's quite something. And this is a lovely contest that you guys that you're holding.
Isn't it?
Yeah, I love it because I've not seen this anywhere, and I'm sure you'll cross 10,000 very soon.
Wow, really touch wood. Thank you Aisha for that. And as promised, we have the lucky draw today. Aisha's been generous. She's giving us one voucher for a party makeover that she's going to do for any winner, and another voucher for an exclusive workshop that she will be conducting soon. You really must catch it. We've got a whole lot of festivities coming up. There's Rakhi, there's Ganpati, and then you know the drill. So each day that you want to really challenge yourself in front of the mirror, I think Aisha is the key to all of that. So here we go. Let's hope it's a woman, otherwise
I know.
it would be
Better
interesting
if
to
it's a
have
guy.
other guys on this chair, yes.
If it's a guy, something for
That's
yeah,
okay.
1 second.
Oh.
I think this just popped out. Roshni Bangera Thakkar.
Wow, Roshni, congratulations. It's a lovely name. It really lights up our day. So congratulations, you win a voucher from Aisha. One more.
And then next, this actually flew out of the Aditi Banerjee.
Hey Aditi, congratulations. Aisha's vouchers are coming your way. Roshni and Aditi will get in touch with you very soon to respond to us so that you don't miss on this awesome opportunity. Aisha's got her vouchers ready and she's going to sign your names on them. And thank you so much for watching. For those of you who haven't won, that's okay. Aisha is always available for consultation. I'll help you get in touch with her and definitely keep you posted on when her next workshop is right there in Goregaon East. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to GHP.
Thank you, Anu.